Hi, my dear viewers. This is your teacher talking to you. Today we will learn together ecologically significant issues during the exploitation of useful minerals. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you start. When opening a deposit and during this exploitation, the movement of groundwater begins, which complicates drilling operations and hinder the extraction of useful minerals. Therefore, in order to fight against groundwater, various hydrogeological measures are taken. To prevent water inflow, high-efficiency pumps are installed. The groundwater level is lowered. Protective wells are drilled. Drainage systems are built. And in some cases, excavation is carried out by freezing the water-bearing rocks. The amount of water taken from groundwater is often greater than the volume of useful minerals, which can lead to large-scale subsurface deformations due to water flow within the rocks. These may result in landslides or even catastrophic situations. During exploitation, artificial water flow can lead to contamination of useful minerals. This contaminated water can flow into lower layers, lakes, and other water bases, making them unusable. In groundwater salinization, natural factors also play a significant role. These include the geological structure of the deposit, the flow conditions of the water-bearing horizon, the relationship of underground water with surface water, and the chemical composition of the waters. When conducting mountain drilling operations and exploiting useful mineral deposits, the following measures are used to combat groundwater. Firstly, mountain drilling operations must be adapted to the specific hydrogeological conditions. Next one, forced dewatering of the deposits. Next one, preventing subsurface water from entering the mining area. Next one, opening the deposit in a way that avoids water accumulation. Next one, using drainage wells to lower the water level. Next one, dry exploitation. The last one, drilling productive wells and placing barriers such as dredge seals. Our lesson was up today. I hope I gave you useful information. Apart from this channel, you can also learn my lessons on Udemy. I will pass the link of the lesson. Thanks for watching.